Just made it to my sister's. We're about to head on a hike with my sister, nephew, niece. I don't think they're up for it, but I am, because this is my first vlog and I'm super excited about it. A little nervous because I haven't done this hike, but it's not that bad. I don't think it's like 6.2 miles. It's called Bad Rock something. I have to double check it, but we're about to head out. All right, we made it. This is Bad Creek Foothills Trail Access. That's what it's called.
Developed and owned by Duke Energy.
Yeah. Here's my niece and nephew. Say hi.
Hi.
Y'all excited?
Not really, I'm gonna die, but okay.
Oh my gosh, so much enthusiasm coming from him.
Yeah.
And I believe my sister's still in the car. But yeah. Let's start this trail. So far this trail's pretty good.
We didn't get this on camera, but Noel.
You ruined the vlog, Jacob. I gotta talk to my viewers. I don't need your commentary. Anyway, this trail's pretty good. Got an awesome river. We've just been following it the whole time, but now we're heading up to the upper falls. Check the top view of the falls, and then we got to go back 3 more miles to get to the bottom of it. But so far we've had a good time. I dropped my sunglasses and had to go back a mile because I knew where I dropped it. I just didn't realize I dropped it.
We saw a bear.
And Jacob said we've seen a bear, but I didn't see it. I think he's full of it, but yeah, it's been a awesome hike. Thought it was gonna be freezing, but I am burning up. Had to take my jacket off, then take off my other jacket. So yeah.
Joelle started screaming frantically at the sight of, you know what she saw? A spider. So terrifying. Yeah, that could have been our clickbait title. Little girl screams frantically at the sight of Lucy.
I love all these little bridges and little creeks and stuff. Alright, so I had to stop and check out this river. This river is so freaking awesome. I'm out here at the middle of it. But yeah, I think this is Lake Jocassee, or it's connected to Jocassee. But man, I love this river. I could sit out here all day. But yeah, onto the waterfall. All right, guys. So I think we're 2.8 miles in. It's from what I was tracking, but I think we got 0.4 to the waterfall. So we're almost there. And I believe, what time is it right now? I don't think we're gonna make it back to the car before dark. It's only 3, maybe we will. Ah man, this is beautiful. Just amazing. What do you think, Jacob?
I actually really like it. I don't usually like hiking.
This one's awesome. But we got to get to the top of there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah.
Very loud.
Yeah.
You two stand right here where I can see you.
Jacob had to take over the vlog while we did a photo shoot. But here we go. We're about to hike the top. Alright guys, this last part kicked my ass. I ain't even gonna lie, but I think we've made it to the top. It was just straight up, but I think I made it, or we made it. Let's see. Oh man, we made it.
No, we didn't. We're gonna die.
No, this is it.
What is that, man?
Woo!
We didn't die.
We made it. Holy crap, that's awesome. That is amazing. Beautiful.
We should clear Grand Canyon.
So, you did 3.1 and we got 3.1 to go.
I'm gonna die.
Is this the longest hike you've ever been on?
No, not the Grand Canyon hike. That was a nightmare. I almost threw up in that
I give it an 8 out of 10. I've seen a lot of better ones, but
We made it to the top.
that's the different part.
Yeah, man. This is awesome.
I have to get mom. She's so slow.
But I love it, even though I'm tired. When you get to see a view like that, it's all worth it. Now I'm just gonna relax, chill, and then we got another 3.1 to go.
Bad.
All right, y'all. All right, we're almost out. We got 20 minutes till it gets dark. I think we're all wiped out.
Yeah. My legs.
Cool stomp. But anyway, yeah. Pretty awesome hike. Like, it was amazing.
Lots of fallen trees.
Yeah, lots of obstacles. If I said that right, but we had to climb a lot of trees to get over and stuff like that. But Yeah, almost done with it. We'll hit 6.2 miles once we get to the parking lot. But I'd definitely like to do this one again if I get a chance. We did it! Yeah. Woo! So what'd you think?
Feels good. I'm just hooked on the leg.
What'd you think?
I'll give it a 2 out of 10.
Whatever.
It was pretty, yeah, but it was way too long. Too many guys put a few bags into.
Ah, it was not that bad.
Yeah? Oh, I know. So fun.
All right, guys, we finished the trail. 6.2 miles. It was awesome. Now it is time to go home, take a shower, eat, see what the next adventure holds. See y'all later.